upstairs. Thank you.
Just riding blind for the fun of it. Nice, Tom. Let's keep on pull watts.
Pulls on till 4.
Yeah. Graham's. Oh, yeah, pulls up. Then Graham following, or Brad following. Different one. Okay, so Brad up at 4. Nice pull. Just keep it around 410. That's really good. Don't want to go too hard in the desert here.
TV's broke. I can't see.
Okay, Brad's coming through. Paul, you can drop to back.
Yes, sorry, mate.
It's okay.
I got my wife to get my glasses for me.
No.
TV's broke.
Oh. It's fine, you can still see Marshall on a small screen.
I'm on my iPhone, I can barely make it out.
Yep. Just fall back, Brad. Here, that's nice, boys. Nice and smooth through here. Nothing's won or lost here. Just don't want to overcook this bit. 450 for Marshall.
Relax in the trap.
Yep.
Just 6 minutes.
Yeah, Luke, keep it relaxed. Did you say till 50 minutes? Oh, it's a nice pull. Sure, we'll be happy.
Everyone will be chuffed with you.
Just watch that. Just careful with that gap at the back. It's a little bit deep, Brad. Yeah, soon to see it. That's good. Should be good there, Brad. Now ease it down. There we go. That was really good. Remember, always aiming for where we'll be in 3 seconds. Adjust the power accordingly.
10 seconds. Marshall's off.
Nice, Graham. Not too hard, Graham. Keep it 425. Don't change it too much for this. It's only 1%. Okay, Luke's up. You got this, guys.
Don't wait for me, Graham.
Yeah. Just squeeze on there, Graham. Nice work. Okay, guys, relax. Second, third wheel. Brad, just going to have to keep squeezing a little bit just to make sure that's closed. Just at 8 meters at the moment. Okay, that's good. Luke, try and fall into third wheel. Just a second right there, Luke. Little squeeze now. Well done, buddy. That's fine. And then just slowly ease your way back as Brad comes through. Really well done, guys. That was perfect. Brad, just relax now. You've done that perfectly. Good job. Well done, Luke.
Pulls on till 8.
Yep.
Pulls off in side.
Nice guys, back to Brad. Marshall, just watch that gap, just 8 meters. Just slingshot Paul.
Yeah, I'm trying to close it.
Yeah, that's good.
Not too fast. Alright, great.
Nice job. We're up on time on everyone but talent fry. That's good.
Marshall's building.
We're going to take the time through the S's, that's where we have a real advantage. Nice and smooth through here.
10 minutes.
Nice guys. Just try and stretch it out a little bit in the pack. Just ease it down a little bit more. Nice on the front, pace is good. Just get that recovery. Should feel nice and calm here. Do not want to be at all on our limits at the end of this. And just keep taking a look at the numbers at the bottom of your screen. Pay attention to the gaps either side. One behind's just as important as the one in front, and you can manage it too. Nice, Brad. That's good. We're just getting a little bit tight in the pack.
Marshall's off.
Good pull. Careful, Paul. You're in a good position. Don't squeeze too much. Paul, Tom, you can relax off a bit more. You're in good. Yep, there we go. You're fine. The gap's fine to Luke. We'll be up at 11. Paul's got your wheel as well. Paul, just a little bit of a squeeze now. Brad's got your wheel. Got a little bit of 1% inclines, 2 little bumps coming up. You can use them to adjust if we need. One here. Nice. Tom's going to come through. Okay. Second bit of 1% coming up, just round the next bend. Nice work. Keep it up there, Tom. Good shift. 5 seconds, Paul.
Yeah, hold on to 12.
Nice and calm, guys. Doing really well. Got the little climb out in about a minute and a bit. Just probably a minute.
Hold off in 5.
Marshall's building.
Right, coming up.
Give me a little extra on the uphill.
Just do a minute here, Marshall.
Okay.
13:30. Yeah, let's try and keep it at 6. A bit yeah, there we go. 6 for you. That's good, buddy. Real nice. Don't be afraid to be a little bit too tight here, guys. Don't get caught off at the back. Nice, Brad. Paul, gotta watch that gap. Careful, don't come too far through, Luke. Yeah, that's better. Much better line, guys. Paul, Brad doing great. Nice, leading at the front, Marshall.
10
10.
seconds.
Yep. Okay, Graham, let's get back up to speed, but then not full pull in terms of watts. Get a bit of rest on the downhill too. Okay, keep working over the top, guys. Hold the wheels. And Graham, 400, just below 400 would be great on the downhill. Okay, Tom, relax. You're in a good position. Don't get too tight, Tom. Okay, just got a bit of a split in the middle. Just gotta pay attention, boys. We're gonna close it up. Luke, if you can take over. Just take over naturally. Take over laterally, Luke. Don't force it.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, bit of a squeeze here. You do a hard 10 seconds, Luke, to keep that speed high. Okay, Tom, if you can take over in 5. Okay, coming through now, Tom. Nice and aggressive, boys. Just while the speed's high, doing 52, that's great. Up on the back, 58 on the front, nice, Tom. Okay. Paul, get ready. They're coming through in 10, carry that momentum. Probably want to start squeezing a little bit now. Nice job. Higher speed means more rest for the rest of you. Okay, Paul's just going to get us to the little downhill, into the tunnels. Then Brad, you'll take over during the downhill. Really nice shift, Paul. And just relax a little bit through this section of downhill. Don't do too much, we'll do more of the work later. Nice, okay, Brad's taking over till 16. Marshall's already there in second wheel. Slowly reorganise behind, guys. Don't force it, don't waste energy really pushing. Just slip into it.
Marshall's building.
Yeah, buddy. Doing really nice. Stretch it out by slowing in the pack. Marshall's going to hold that pace, it's good. Well done, Luke, Graham, that's perfect. Well done, guys. Okay, Paul, you might just a little squeeze, and then you'll be into the line.
Yep.
There we go. Great work, guys. Nice and calm. And just notice they're all Christmas trees. Okay, see, look at your gap to talent fire. You've already taken time back there. Well done. We go into the section that suits us. We don't do it here on the flats. We do it on the punchy sections. Yep.
10 seconds.
Graham, you got it. Luke, the end of your pull is just going to be the little punch up. So, Luke at 17:30. Tom be getting our speed back up into downtown.
This is not fun on an iPhone.
It might just be just before the base that you finish, Luke. So just be aware, call it if you need to stop early and have some rest first. Tom's already in a wheel pull, just need to close that a little bit.
Yeah.
Brad, Marshall, just tighten up slightly. Don't go crazy to close it, Paul, because we do have the push coming ahead. We can do that. We can do the hard work there. There we go. We're already connected. Tom taking over.
Sorry, Tom.
That's perfect. That's fine. Let's give him a little boost. Okay, 6.5 up here, boys. Let's squeeze it up. Squeeze it up now, Tom. You got this. Paul's going to come back through towards the top. Good shift, boys. Good shift. Don't fight it too much, Tom. It's just a benefit if they're coming through. Just hold that pace that you can. Nice. So Paul's going to work his way through until 19. Brad, yep, keep moving through with him. Good job, boys. But it's 1% incline on the second bit of this. This is the flat section. We're already up to speed. Don't force it here, boys. Pull watts. We're up to speed. We're doing well. Okay, Brad coming through. It's just a little 1-2% section. Nothing crazy. Just going to carry our good speed up and over. It's a beautiful line, guys. Make sure we're recovering in the pack. Don't need to be into the 5s here. Well done. Okay, Marshall in 5. Marshall, just be aware you've got the climb out coming up. And then the S's. So if you need to do a minute, say.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yep. Okay. Graham at 20:30. Okay, Tom will be skipping his next pull. I don't know if you can't hear us.
Get organised.
Okay, boys, just stretch it out. Got a little uphill coming. Okay, Graham taking over. 1-2% through here. I want to raise up a little bit, but nothing crazy. Still going to carry good speed. Just look at that time to talent fry. You're bringing it back already. They can't cope with you guys. Just slowly eat into it. Nice, Graham. Luke's taking over. Don't drop too abruptly there, Graham. Just while we're on the incline. That's nice. Really well done. Good management. Okay, Paul, you're going to squeeze through Tom at 21:30. Tom's going to drop back with Luke. Okay, yep, Tom and Luke dropping now. Paul's going to come through on this little incline. Well done, boys. Just drop all the way to the back. Okay, we're just a little bit stretched out. Working it well, Brad. Just watch out, Marshall, because Brad's pushing too. Okay, just he's a little bit on the front, Paul and Brad. Don't waste your energy. Get some recovery through the rollers. Got a nice group at the back, just splitting off for this too. I'll tell you when they're on. Paul, Brad, just still relax a bit. Okay, Paul, are you going to be able to take us to 22:30 still?
Yeah.
Okay, as soon as they're back connected. Okay. Brad, actually, Brad's up there. Brad. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Brad, just squeeze through. Yep. Grab hold of Paul's wheel. Okay, Brad's up now. Going to take us to the top of the next climb. Then we're going to have Marshall on the downhill and the flats. And 6.5 on the front up here. Let's get ready to squeeze in the pack. Then we really relax on the downhill. Okay, squeeze now in the pack. Come on, boys. Bring up Paul, Tom. Yeah, boys. Don't go crazy mid-pack. Graham, keep it in check. Just opening up to the guys behind. Nice pull, Tom. There we go. Well done, Brad. Marshall's going to start to come through now. Just don't go too crazy, Marshall. Just so you can really sit in the wheel. Yeah, there we go, buddy. Graham, try and get on. Yep. Well done, boys. Now relax in the pack. Doing really well. It's good gaps. Okay, squeeze now, Marshall. 30 more seconds, Marshall, or a minute.
30.
Okay. Graham at 24. Good, boys. Next 10 minutes are going to be crucial. We want to keep all 6. Graham taking over, Luke on his wheel. Shout up early if you're struggling. Let's watch that gap. Watch that gap in the middle, guys. Come on. Paul.
Yeah, I'm trying to get
Squeezing.
it.
Yep. Okay. Brad, Marshall, let Paul squeeze onto it at the front. Just slow a little bit. Okay, use his wheel. Marshall, you have to squeeze a bit tighter. Brad. Okay, we're really stretched out now, boys. Just slow it down at the front. Let's group it back together. Time's still good. You okay, Marshall? Just at 13 meters, Marshall.
Yeah.
Yep. Little bump here. Squeeze over it. Okay, back on front. Tom's got it. 25-30. Paul, are you going to be okay to pull for after?
Yep.
Okay. We're all together now. Back into order. Let's get back and calm. Really about focus now. Done a lot of the hard work. Don't let it slip. Paul's coming through. Good shift there, Tom. Really well done through that section. Brad's on his wheel. Graham just got little bits of a gap, 7 meters. Just going to squeeze through. Use Tom. Yep. Well done. Well then, guys. That's a much nicer line. A little bit stretched out. We'll get there. Tom just keeping. Yep. Tom, keep an eye on that gap. Luke, just remember you've got Tom behind you. You're just kind of crushing him out. Good shift, Tom. Nice and smooth. Marshall, you're going to have the lovely bump section again. So Graham, just be ready to support him. Maybe be a bit flexible between the two of you on that. Okay, Marshall's up. This is a crucial bit, boys. This really hurts through here, but it's going to get better. Nice, Brad. Well done. Get into that nice line. Doing really well. Paul, Tom, if you just sort yourself out slowly. Use the incline to do it. Okay, Graham, you probably want to come through at the top of this first one. But don't just fly through. Everyone needs to have your wheel too. Luke, just be ready on it. Nice, Marshall, doing well. Okay, squeeze now, boys. Let's hold that speed. 47 going in. Great job, Marshall. Really good. Okay, here we go. Graham's going to slowly move through now. Just easing it up. Don't relax in the pack, boys, until we're tight. There we go. Okay, can you ease it down a little bit in the pack again? Graham's got us. Luke, you're going to be taking over just at the top of the next punch. Okay, here we go, boys. Next one. Squeeze it up. Watch those gaps either side. Nice, Graham, well done. Okay. Now we move, Luke. Pulls on your wheel, we're all good. Well in, guys. Great shift, just keep it going, Luke, you're doing really well. Yep, that's okay, Tom. Okay. Paul, if you can take over. It's coming through naturally, you might as well. Yep. Yep, you're just coming through naturally, might as well take it up. Maybe not so aggressive on the pulls, just drop it down by 10 watts or so, say like 400. Just get a bit of recovery through this section before the S's. Then we're all good. All you've got left is the S's, boys. Just get through them and it's plain sailing. Okay, Brad, just watch that gap. Just a little bit open. There we go. Okay. Nice job, Marshall. Paul, just drop now. Brad's going to take over.
Yeah.
Brad, just start. Yep, start your pull from there, Brad. Marshall just going to need to be a little bit tighter. Well done, guys. Marshall's up. That's okay. We're going to get through the S's, boys. That's the next focus. Marshall's going to take us into them.
No.
Graham and Luke will get us through them. Nice and calm in the pack, boys. Nice and calm. Just breathe. Blow the air out. You're doing really well. Squeeze up. Nice, boys. 15 seconds then, Graham. Really well done, Marshall. It's a big pull. Okay, Graham's up. Again, just tack those bumps. Relax on the downhills. Just keep it nice and tight. I'd rather you're too tight here, boys. Don't let the gaps open up. Another squeeze here. Marshall, just go in there. Nice job. Okay, Brad's going to come through naturally now. That's perfect. Okay, Paul, can you take over? Luke and Paul.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, there we go. Luke's there. Nice, guys. Last one. Squeeze from the back. Got to do this from the back. We've pushed through from the back. Let's go now, Tom. Graham, let's squeeze. Squeeze up. We're going to get to loads of rest after this. Come on, boys. Really well done. Lead as a group through here. As a group. Nice, Luke. Keep working over the top. Keep working over the top. Great, guys. Really sending it. Okay, now start to relax on the front. Start to relax on the front. Tighten up from the back. Brad, keep Luke's wheel. Make sure you're moving level with him. There we go, boys. Okay. Marshall, can you come through at the bottom for 30? 30 seconds of big squeeze. There we go. Graham will have your wheel. And we're going to slide back into order again. You guys have done it. This is where we need you. Okay. Graham, if you can come through. Luke on his wheel. Then Paul. Then back to Brad. Nice, guys. Just watch that gap. Luke to Paul. Well done, Tom. Nice shift, Graham. Luke taking over. Let's try and get all the way out. Times are just slightly off. Okay. Paul, if you can jump back in behind Tom.
Yep.
Just got a little bit of uphill now. Tom, I don't know how you're feeling. If you want to take a pull here, that would be great. You've got a big downhill coming. Okay, Tom, 5 seconds. Yeah, buddy. Well done. Paul's ready on your wheel. It's good. Really good, guys. Last little squeeze. Come on, keep it up then, Tom. Keep it up. Downhill's coming. Nice, buddy. Paul, start to move through now. Great work. Okay, careful at the back. Paul, who's Marshall, Graham, you've just squeezed up a bit tight. Got to talk early, Luke. Okay, we need a big squeeze. Luke or Brad, you've got to squeeze it together. Get across, then you can rest. You don't want to slow at the front. Get across yourselves. You can do this. Stretch it out in the pack. Paul, don't go too hard on the front. We're ripping apart, Paul.
Luke, I'll get you back on.
Yep. Really well done in the pack, boys. Well done for stretching it out. Okay, Tom, you're connected. Start to squeeze up. Just going to help each other out here. So one at a time, we're just going to take the lead of this little bunch and get back together. Okay, Tom, you're almost there. Almost on Graham's wheel. 8 meters, 7 meters, 6. Graham, it's your responsibility now. Well done. Expert level, boys. Okay, we're all together again. Marshall, can you take over? We're back into order following Marshall. Well in. Brad, you just got to kick and get on. Let's get back into order. Establish the order, boys. Should be Paul, Brad at the back, Paul just in front of him. Got it till 36, Marshall.
Yes, no.
Yeah, buddy. That's good. Got 6 of us now. 4 of the talent fry. 4-second gap. This is where we're going to start to make it up. We're going to finish with that climb. We'll make the big time there. Let's start to eat into it.
Pardon me.
It's okay, boys. We're just going to go in whatever order we're in at this point. Graham's up next. 5 seconds. Let's not force it. Do any extra work that we don't need to.
How many Ks to go?
I can't see.
8.
8.
I
Yeah,
can't see.
10 minutes. It's a nice section though. Well in, Graham. 10 more seconds. Luke's got your wheel. Okay, smooth takeovers now, boys. Nice, Luke. It's all about maintaining that speed. Little section through dirt, we're going to have to squeeze a bit. Squeeze a bit on the front, squeeze a bit in the pack. You've got 3 of these. That's 1 down, 2 to go. That was great speed through there, keeping up at 47. Okay, next one. Squeeze it through. Watch that gap in the middle, Brad.
Yeah.
Doing well.
Luke's on his wheel in it
Yep,
now.
Tom's up. Tom's up. Already there. Well done. If anyone's really struggling, just slide your way to the back. Just going to keep in this order. Nice. Last one here. Let's squeeze through. You're going to have a downhill into the tunnel after this. Keep it up, Tom. You're doing really nicely. 5 more seconds. Paul's there. Keep it up. Nice, Tom. Okay, Paul just squeeze through now. Okay, Brad at the bottom. It's really important we kick out quite hard, just to keep that speed up for as long as possible. If that means you just do 15 seconds, that's fine. But we want it higher, closer to 6 at the bottom of this. Carry that speed. Relax on the downhill, then we squeeze. Well done, Paul. Doing a great job here. Okay, start to squeeze now, Brad. Start to squeeze now. We're up to 57. Let's try and hold on to that. Try and hold on to that, Brad. Come on, buddy. Squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. There we go. Marshall's on your wheel. Okay, Marshall.
Guys, I've got
Marshall, let's go.
nothing in the tank.
Just sit in the pack. Sit in the pack, Brad. Don't let go. Just sit and recover. Okay, Marshall till 39.
Luke's third wheel. Luke's third wheel.
Yep.
Sorry.
Let's not force it, boys. Well done, Brad. Just keep hold there. Keep hold. Nice and calm. Paul and Tom are just going to swap order in front of you. Don't panic. Paul, just watch Brad's wheel behind. You need to slow a little bit. There we go. Well, Luke. Yeah. Nice job, guys. Good pull, Marshall. Really important we keep connected through this section, boys. Keep it all linked together. There's not room for it to slip apart. Brad, you've got to get a bit tighter. Come on, buddy. You can do this,
Only
mate.
got 15-second pulls. 15-second pulls.
Okay. So Luke's up, then Tom will follow at 39.45. Okay. Try and fall into that gap for Brad, Paul. So it's not Paul. Ignore me. Nice. Tom taking over. There we go. Brad's connected. Just keep on that wheel, Brad. I want you to get over this, and then we're going to use you on that incline, and that'll be it. You're doing really well, buddy. You're just going to have one more dig. Okay, Paul coming through. This incline, 6.5, boys, 6.5. Come on, squeeze it up. Squeeze it up, boys. You've done so well. Last section, 5 minutes. How many times have you guys done this? Come on. Get it up and over, up and over. Back up to speed. We get back up to 47 before we ease. This is our section. This is our time. 10 seconds to talent fry. This is where we take it. Well done, Graham. Good. Okay, Marsh. Just hold on. Just hold on. Hold the wheels behind. They're coming through. Tom, squeeze through. Luke, squeeze through. It's done really well. Okay, boys, everyone needs to be pulling now. Little burst. Paul, can you do it just till 41? Marshall, take through. You're on the front, Paul, just a little burst. Marshall just has 30 seconds now till 41.30. Okay, raise it up. Come on, Marshall, you can do this. You've done really nicely. Just a little squeeze. Graham on his wheel. 20, 30 seconds each, boys. Use this incline. Keep it high. We've got to keep it above 5 here, boys. Graham, come through. Squeeze through. Got to take the time, boys. Take the time on this incline. Still got 5. We can do this. Great shift, Marshall. Really well done. Graham, take it through. Pull through him. Come on, buddy. You can do this. Get this to 42, Graham. Keep it high. Nice pull. Okay, just drop to the back, Luke. We're just going to go in the order where people are now. Tom, just squeeze. Tom and Marsh, squeeze through Luke. This is it. Well done, Graham. Paul, come through. 5, Paul. Come on. You can do this. 30 seconds, Paul. You can do it. Come on. Don't want to see anything else. We'll get through it. We've got 5 riders. Tom, Marshall, we need one of you to follow Paul. Luke, you might just have to hold it for 10 seconds or so while they get onto it. Really good shift, boys. Come on. Keep squeezing it. Keep squeezing it. Okay, Paul, falling back now. Well done. Good shift. You can have one more before the finish line. Rest up. One more. Yeah, you are. Come on. Tom, we need you to push through Marshall now. Yeah, I know. Tom, push through Marshall. Marshall's going to hold that wheel. Come on, Tom. Squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. Yep, there we go. Marshall, you hold Tom's wheel. Okay. There we go. Nice job, Tom. Keep it going. 43:30. Come on, boys. How much do you want? It's going to be tight. You want that first place. Graham squeezing through. Squeezing through, Graham. Come on. Marshall's got it for a bit. We're all suffering, boys. How much do you want to beat Talent Fry? Okay, Graham, squeeze through him. Squeeze through him.
Luke's fourth rider. Luke's there.
Tom's gone, yeah.
Get me home.
That's fine. We've got 4 guys. Luke's going to have to sit in, so it's little burst on the front. Careful, Graham. Careful, Graham. Slower but longer. Hold his wheel, Luke. Come on. Just hold those wheels. Connect it again. Well done, Graham. Doing so well, guys. Just breathe. Keep it on the front. Keep it on the front. Keep the pace up, Paul. Come on. Guys, responsibility.
That's all I got.
I know. Okay, we're going to have to squeeze through him. Squeeze through him, Marshall. Come on. Just over a minute out. Just over a minute out. You guys can all do this. You can all keep it above 5 for that. Just do it efficiently. 5 on the front. Come on, Marshall. Get us to 45. Paul and Graham are ready. Paul and Graham start squeezing through. Luke's just going to have to sit in. Nice, Graham. Well done. That's good, boys. Keep it going all the way to the line. Graham, you've just broken off. Okay, boys, you've got this. I'm just going to get to the line now. Someone just take the front. I think we just get to the line. You've done the hard work, emptying the tank. You've done really well. Just going to get there. Going to beat every other team. Nice, Paul. Someone try and take over from Paul. Just get through him. Little burst from the back. Come on, Luke. Last one from you. Last one from you, Luke. You're going to get to the line. You're going to survive. What can you do? Nice, guys. It's going to be over soon. Get through it. Get through it. 5 seconds, boys. 5 seconds. Up and out. Here we go. Drive it through. Drive it through. Well done, boys. Good shift. That was tough, but you did really, really well.